Hey guys, Jeff with West Guy Design. So we just finished up this 22 TRD Pro Tacoma. A lot of people said, hey, the truck's higher from the factory. It is higher. It's a ½ inch higher, but it's a ½ inch higher in the rear. Nothing has been changed in the front of this truck. They did a ½ inch shim in the back of this truck to get that extra ½ inch on the truck. So it wasn't front and back. It was just the rear of the truck. So it was a little bit raked in the back. So basically what we did is we did our 1 inch block in the back, removed the ½ inch in the back, and added another ½ inch. So basically we picked up a ½ inch in the back of this truck. In the front of the truck, we just did our preload collar. It's got the billet upper arms that everybody's been talking about, super cool. We picked up 2 inches in the front of this truck. The truck now sits from front to back. It's a 24 inches at actually all 4 corners. So this is exactly what we want. 24 inches in the back, 24 inches in the front, and side to side on this. So it looks super good. We did do something a little different this time. We did a set of Toyo Open Country MTs, and these are in the 285, 75 R16s. This is the new wheel for the Pro for 22. The only thing I'm gonna tell you is the factory wheel with the factory offset will not clear the upper control arm, especially with a tire with this much of an aggressive tread. We did not try running a less aggressive sidewall tread, but it does not clear the control arm at full steering lock. It rubs on the arm. So on this particular setup, we ran a 1.25 inch Spider Tracks front wheel spacer on just the front alone. It actually gives the truck a little bit wider stance, which is super cool. But if you're gonna do this setup, I would say if you're gonna run a 285 on the factory wheel, not because of our lift kit, not because of anything, but just because the upper arm does stick out a little bit farther because the way it's beefier on the front corner of it. So when you turn the wheel, it does make contact. So we did run wheel spacers, and you can see by the stance here on the front of it that the wheels do stick out a little bit farther on this setup here. Another really cool thing is the hood on this truck. It's really cool. I don't know if you can see the detail here, but super cool. You know, just some of the little things they've done. This actually happens to be a 6-speed manual transmission truck that this customer had ordered especially. One of the other really cool things is the stamping in the bedside down here in the back. They have gone to this now. Super cool, really separates the trucks, personalizes it that you know it's a Pro. Instead of having a sticker on the back of this, it just looks really clean with the stamping on this. So just kind of want to share some of the things. This truck is the very first one that we've had into our shop, and gave us a little time to make some adjustments, see if we needed to make any changes for ride quality, for height, and everything worked out great with this. So we've got it set up, and if you decide, hey, I got a 22 Pro, without a doubt this is the best solution for your 22 Pro as far as we're concerned, as far as ride quality and off-road capability. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.